Hello everybody, it's me, your friendly neighbourhood and today we're going to be building an entertainment unit for your one and only me. So the entertainment unit is for my room underneath my TV, which I need so I can put my Xbox on it and various other things that I've collected over 21 years of being alive. As usual, if you're used to watching my videos, I don't draw anything down, and I probably can't show you because one, I'm bad at drawing. If you're interested in watching a fancy shelf being made, then I really don't play these videos up. I do a really good job at making everything I build sound amazing. It's a fancy shelf. I don't know what you want from me. The catch is I've got to build everything out of the scraps that I've got in the workshop, so this could prove quite interesting. So I'm not too sure how tall I'm going to make it. I think I might make it this tall, but I think that's a bit too big. So I might go to about 10-inch finish, which I'd assume is plenty. Right, so all I've got to do now is put the shelves in, so it should be pretty simple. Put them all to the same size, they'll all just slot in nicely. So I've built my frame. All I need to do now is I want to put some oak strip on the front just to cover the raw edges. Now I'm using oak strip because it'll give it a nice look. It's going to get painted, but I didn't want all the grainy rubbish to be shown. I mean, I've got this entire roll left over from a job because apparently this is the size roll that they send it in. So we're going to use this. So what you got to do is just put it on, iron it. Shout at me. I bought gate paint, fence paint. Well, the reasoning behind that is it dries really quick. I don't have to prime anything, and that's it. So if you're a painter or decorator and you're watching this and you are really giving me some, I'm sorry. I mean, I've even gone all out and got proper like 3 brushes, roller, and a plastic tray. So A for effort, possibly like a W for execution, which is usually the case. But since it's just me, I don't care. This is another reason why I hate paint. I can never open the tin. Ugh. So far, I still need to do my skeleton boards. I need to decorate the walls because they're all pretty bare. I'm going to show you inside here. Now the timber has shrunk, so it's a little bit easy to open and close it, but this is what I've done with this place. This is where I do all my editing and stuff on this computer. This is my little setup for now. It's a bit of a mess in here. And all the Aero chocolate. That's it at the minute. It's gonna do for now. This is the newly painted thing. Looking at it now, it kind of looks out of place, but it's good. Welcome to another episode, or the part 2 that's in the video. It's been about a week since I filmed the first section in this video, so I've got all my decoration stuff out of my old room and put it into the new one, and now my room is very cluttered with absolutely zero amount of storage. So that at the moment is our dilemma. Now I decided I need some drawers. Right now, this piece of paper is the most important piece of paper in this room because it has all the measurements on it. Also, just to cheer everybody up, a death in the family. It's dead, it's died, it's broke, I'm really upset, the motor's gone and it's burning. I had it 6 months. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. If anybody has any information about why this has happened or how to fix it or how much it will cost, please let me know, because I would love to fix it. Or just get a new saw. Or want money back. Any of the above would help. And also, something extremely awesome, we're nearly at 100 subscribers, which is amazing, so thank you very much. Right, I think we're on 95. I think we're on 95 at the moment, or last time I checked we were on 95. The plywood video has gone over 1,000 views. That's insane. The channel's doing pretty okay. At the minute, it's doing better than I thought it would. Sadly, my ripped off cut is too small. Rectangle. Its first or second coat, I can't remember. I'm just leaving it all to dry now, and then I can take it in my room. Finished product. I've got 2 little drawers on either end. I've left the bottom 2, they're the same sizes, that if I want to build any more drawers I can just put them in, but I paint them black for shelves just for now. And I'm pretty happy with it. Now I can put all my other stuff away, which I'm happy with, and yeah, it's a little bit of a mess at the minute because the sockets behind the TV don't work, so I've got extension leads everywhere, and that's why there's so many wires. But once that's fixed and done, it'll look pretty good. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and do all that good stuff. And see you in the next one, whenever that'll be.